Morning, Damon. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. So if you don't mind to tell us kind of how you came about. We've been a chiropractic patient for many years now, and then we decided to do the decompression. What made you kind of go that route?
Well, I was at the gym, felt a kink in my back, and that's really started hurting after a month or so of extreme pain. I was getting tingles down my leg. Didn't really want to go the route of an epidural shot. Decided to chat with you about that when I was here for a visit, and based on your recommendation, I said, let's give it a try. So I did 6 weeks with 3 visits a week. So I'd say around that second week, I could start noticing a difference. Before I came in, I had a few flights out of town and I could barely sit in the seat still the whole time. It was just causing a lot of pain down the left side of my glute and into my hamstring. And I noticed after that, I was on a flight and I was able to just sit comfortably through the entire flight.
So how have you felt since we've completed the decompression and laser treatment? Do you feel like your life has changed? Do you feel like your life has gotten better or worse? How's your sleep? How's the daily activities looking?
Yeah, I'd say everything feels probably like 98% back to before the injury. Every now and then I still feel a little tenderness in my back, but I'm definitely not getting the tingles down my leg. So I'm back in the gym. I'm able to sit for work for extended periods of time. That was something that even 10-15 minutes of sitting in a chair was just causing a lot of pain. So I'm pretty much back to normal.
So Damon, on your maintenance appointments, we're going to kind of do things just how we've always done it before. We're going to lay on your backside first. So we're going to strap in around your hips. That's going to create the pulling action for the specific disc that we've targeted based on your x-rays. And then we'll get another strap across the top. That's just going to hold you in place. You should still be able to breathe, no problem. We want it kind of strong but comfortable feel with the strap. If anything gets a little bit too tight, just let us know. If you do feel any pain or if you feel any claustrophobia or anything like that where you're like, get me out of this machine now, please hit the stop button. Staff will check on you about every 5 minutes. Most of the time people feel very comfortable enough where they even want to fall asleep while they're doing this. But if you do feel like you need to get out of this, just hit the stop button. Also too, these are just Velcro straps, so you can just undo the Velcro straps at any time.